All right, well, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do this short video on a restoration that I did several years ago. Since I'm going to be starting the restoration on this 76 FLH, thought I'd show you a little bit of the last one I did, which was about 6 or 7 years ago now, on a 65 FLH. That panhead took me about 18 months to complete, mainly because I wanted to try to use as many OEM parts as I could. And as you know, if you're doing antique stuff or any kind of restoration, those parts are kind of hard to come by sometimes. You just have to wait for the right person that's got what you need for sale and, snap it up as quick as you can. So here's some pictures of the tear down of that bike and the rebuild of it. And we're going to get going on this 76 probably in about 2 weeks now.